If you are pursuing engineering and feeling uncertain about your college or future prospects, this video is for you. Here's the bottom line: engineering is scam. The traditional engineering curriculum is not aligned with the actual demands of the industry. What you learn in college is often not sufficient to meet the basic requirements of the field. Common questions like, will I get a job through campus placements? What will my salary be? Which programming language should I focus on? And, should I specialize in hardware or software? Are common concerns. The key to success lies in practical knowledge. Whether it's mastering a specific coding language or gaining hands-on experience with hardware, practical skills are crucial. If you have a 60% aggregate in your engineering degree, you are eligible to apply to companies, but without solid knowledge, landing a job will be challenging. Focus on building your expertise rather than just your grades. Even if you receive an offer letter, there is no guarantee of joining unless you have the necessary skills. With the right knowledge, you can successfully navigate any interview at any time.